Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think this 5 ways up is likely a wave A. I think we most likely are going to make our way down for a 3-way pattern to the downside for a wave B, which should take out both of these lows before we possibly get another attempt up for the bigger wave C. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, to me, it just seems extremely clear because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways down A. This is 1, 2, 3 waves up B. Yes, it is a higher high, but you get those higher high wave Bs quite often. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C that we have forming now. I believe we're currently in the wave 2 of the wave C. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this move up on the higher time frames definitely looks a little more like a trend. It kind of almost looks like it's only just a wave A. Kind of seems like this needs to stretch out and make a much bigger, much more drawn out ABC correction for the wave 2. Maybe possibly bringing it up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels before it actually does end up continuing back down for that bigger wave 3. So taking a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely still don't have a breaker structure to the downside, so I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs on sort of time frames. Like I was just saying, it kind of looks like it's trying to form like an overlapping 5-way pattern, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back up again for a wave 5, possibly up to one of these Fibonacci levels. So I would keep an eye on my structure. As long as it doesn't break structure to the downside, I would still primarily be looking for longs in an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just explaining, I'm definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. This is just one big drawn out correction. I mean, completely sideways. And I would be looking for longs. I mean, even trading these little longs right here is a pretty good strategy, honestly, especially for day trades. If it does go down and break structure, I would stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts. Otherwise, I would definitely be paying very close attention to these fib levels. If we get like a nice fib bounce or a nice break of structure, I would definitely take it as a long. I think we're going to go up possibly to at least a 38% fib. Maybe it's a wave 5. Maybe it's just a complex correction on the higher time frames. Either way, I still think it's a wave 2 unlike the daily time frame, and I definitely do not think the wave 2 is over yet. So for now, still looking for longs because that's what the market is telling us to do. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.